Hi students, today we are going to see a new concept, that is fifth concept, right? Already we have completed four concepts. The fifth concept is nothing but areas of combination of plane figures, right? Areas of combination of plane figures. I told you already, right, while we saw the introduction part of this chapter, that time itself I told you that, and this is the very important concept, right? We can expect a 3 mark or 4 mark sum for the public. We can expect 3 mark or 4 mark from this concept, right? And this concept is nothing but a combination of a plane figures, right? So combination, areas of combination of plane figures. So what we have discussed in the first concept and second concept and third and fourth, right? Now we are going to combinedly we are going to see in the concept 5 what are the sums and what are the things we have discussed in all the four concepts. And this concept is nothing but a combination of all the four concepts, right? So what are the formula, right? What are the formula already we have discussed? Once just recall. So in this concept, you have to keep one thing, very important thing. You have to keep one thing in the mind, that is something but the same thing, given and to find, right? Given and to find. So in the given part, right, a combination, right? Combination is nothing but more than one figure, right? More than one figure. So you have two figure, 2, 3, 4, it's nothing but, right? So you have to write that all the names separately, right? What are the figures, what are the shapes, or what are the figures we are having, right? Plane figures we have to write. And we have to write the given, right? What are the givens we are having in that, we have to write it, right? And what we want to find, based on that we have to find, right? So see the question number 1, right? Areas of combination of plane figures. First concept number 5, sum number 1, right? Prove that area of a circular path, right? Area of a circular path, right? So circular path we already discussed, right? Circular path is nothing but ring, right? Circular path already we have discussed. Circular path is nothing but area enclosed between the bigger circle and a smaller circle, right? Area enclosed between circular path is nothing but area enclosed between bigger circle and smaller circle. So here we are going to see area of a ring, right? So a circular path of uniform width h surrounding a circular region of radius r is pi h into h plus 2r, right? So we want to prove that area of a ring is equal to, so given and to prove is here. So given, what are given we are having? A small circle radius is nothing but, radius of a small circle is nothing but r, right? The radius of a uniform width h surrounding a circular region of radius r, that is nothing but radius of a small circle is nothing but r, right? Radius of a small circle is nothing but r, right? And width, right? So it's nothing but, first we will draw a small, roughly we can draw a diagram, right? So this is nothing but circle and this is nothing but radius, right? And what they are saying, circular path of a uniform width h surrounding a circular region, right? Surrounding a circular region, right? There is a width. There is a width. What is a width surrounding a circular region, right? This is nothing but a path uniform width we are having, right? What we want to find, we want to prove that area of a circular path. Circular path is nothing but which is called a path, and this area is nothing but circular path, right? Area of a circular path. So that only we want to find, right? We want to prove that area of circular path is nothing but pi h into h plus 2r. So to prove area of circular path, right? To prove area of circular path is equal to pi h into h plus 2r, right? So area path means area of a ring. So what is the formula of area of a ring? Area of a ring is equal to, right, pi capital R square minus small r square, right? Pi capital R square minus small r square. For finding the area of a ring, we need capital R and small r. So small r is nothing but, radius is nothing but small r, right? And capital R is nothing but, capital R is nothing but width plus height, right? Width plus radius, right? Radius of a small circle plus width, that is nothing but capital R. Capital R is nothing but width, radius plus width. is nothing but r plus width. Already we are having width. What is width? Width is equal to h. In the given width is equal to h, r plus h. So capital R is nothing but r plus h, right? And we know that area of a ring is equal to this. This is nothing but it is in the form of identity, right? Algebraic identity, a square minus b square. Just elaborate and you can write it and you can simplify, right? So now I am going to use this formula, pi into capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r. Capital R is nothing but r plus h, small r is nothing but r, right? Small r is equal to r. Substitute and simplify. Pi into capital R, that is r plus h plus r, right? R plus h into r plus r into capital R plus h minus r minus r. Simplify. See that we are having two like terms, r plus r, 2r. So pi into 2r plus h, right? Plus r minus r cancel. Plus r minus r cancel. What is remaining? H into h. So what we want to prove that area of circular path is equal to pi h into h plus 2r, right? Sorry, h plus 2r. So it's nothing but pi h into h plus 2r, 2r plus h. Hence it is. So number 2, a plot is in the form of a rectangle ABCD having semicircles on AD and BC. On AD and BC as shown in figure. If AB is equal to 50 meter, AB is equal to 50 meter and BC is equal to 28 meter. Find the area of the plot, right? So here combination of plane figure is nothing but a rectangle plus 2 times of area of a semicircle, right? Area of a rectangle, right? Here we are having two shapes. So what are shape we are having? One is nothing but rectangle, another one is nothing but semicircles, right? Another one is nothing but semicircles. So first write the given. For the rectangle, what are things we are needed? See, we want to find the area of the plot. So for finding the area of a rectangle, what are things we are needed? Length and the breadth. So length and breadth we are having. Length is nothing but AB is equal to 50 meter. So L is equal to 50 meter, right? And BC is nothing but breadth of a rectangle. So B is equal to 28 meter, right? Now we are having to find the area of a rectangle. For finding the area of semicircle, what is the formula of area of semicircle? Pi r square divided by 2. So r alone we are needed. So how we are going to find the radius for this semicircle? So it's nothing but BC, and BC is nothing but diameter of a semicircle, right? The length of BC is nothing but diameter of a semicircle, right? Diameter. AD is also what is the diameter of a semicircle. So what is the length of AD? AD is nothing but 28 meter. Now we know the length of the side of the AD, and side of a AD is nothing but, side of a rectangle, AD is nothing but diameter of a semicircle. From the diameter, right, we can find the radius of a semicircle. Then we can easily find the area of a semicircle, right? So it's nothing but diameter. We know that. What is diameter? Diameter of a rectangle, D is equal to, diameter of a rectangle is equal to, diameter of a semicircle is equal to side of a rectangle, right? D is equal to BC is equal to 28 meter, right? From the diameter we can find radius. Radius is equal to diameter by 2, that is 28 by 2 is equal to 14 meter. Now we are having length, breadth as well as radius. Now we can find the area of the plot. The area of the plot is nothing but a combination of rectangle plus 2 times of area of a semicircle. Area of a rectangle plus 2 times of area of a semicircle, right? So now we will find it, right? So area of the plot is equal to area of rectangle plus 2 times of area of semicircle, right? We are having 2 semicircles, right? We are having 2 semicircles, that's why 2 times of 2 into area of semicircle, right? Write the formula, substitute the values. Already we know all the values. Substitute and simplify, we'll get the answer. So it is equal to area of rectangle formula, L into B plus 2 into pi r square divided by 2, right? 2 into pi r square. See, 2 times of area of semicircle is nothing but, while we are joining two semicircle, what we will get it? Circle. Area of a full circle. Otherwise you can simplify. 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Remaining what are things we know the value of length, breadth, pi value, radius value also. Substitute and simplify. What is the value of length? L. L is equal to 50. into 28, right? 50 into 28 plus pi value 22 by 7 into r square. So what is the value of r? 14 meter. So why I have taken pi is equal to 22 by 7? Yes, r is nothing but already it is in the form of 7 multiple. That's why I have chosen pi is equal to 22 by 7. Otherwise, what value we want to substitute? Pi is equal to 3.14, right? So now r is equal to 14 meters. So 14 into 14, because r square 14 into 14, right? See, two terms we just separate by using the brackets. Just multiply 50 into 28. How much? 50 into 28, 1400. Simplify, 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14, plus 22 into 2 into 14, right? Simplify, 1400 plus, well, we are multiplying 22 into 2, 44, 44 into 14, 616. So 2016 meters square. 1400 plus 616 is equal to 2016 meters square. Therefore, area of the plat is equal to, therefore, area of the given plat is equal to 2016 meters square, right? Still we can see one more example. So number 3, from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in the figure. Find the area of the remaining portion in the square. Find the area of the remaining portion in the square. What they are saying? First of all, combination of what are the shapes? Square, right? 4 quadrant circle and circle. So they are discussing about 3 shapes. First one is nothing but square, right? Square. Next one is nothing but quadrant circle, right? Next one is nothing but quadrant circle, and the next one is nothing but full circle. I am taking a circle, right? Quadrant circle, circle. They are talking about 3 shapes. What we want to find? So what we want to find? Area of the shaded region, right? Or area of the remaining part. That means in the square they are cutting 4 quadrant circles. At the same time they are cutting one full circle. So remaining part I have shaded, right? The remaining part alone, the remaining portion alone we want to find. So area of the remaining portion. Area of remaining portion. So how we are going to find? So area of remaining portion. So we need the formula of area formula. Area of square, area of quadrant circle, area of circle. So these things we are needed. So first we will start out from the question. So for what is the formula for finding the area of square? Side into side. So we are needed the length of the side of a square, right? Length of side of a square, it's given from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter. So side of a square is equal to how much? 4 centimeter. Right? For quadrant circle, area of a quadrant circle, what is the formula? Area of quadrant circle is something but pi r square divided by 4. So for that what we are needed? R is needed. So radius, a quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter. So radius of a quadrant circle is equal to 1 centimeter. R is equal to 1 centimeter. Next, radius of a full circle. So for a full circle and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter. So they have given diameter is equal to 2 centimeter. Diameter of a full circle is 2 centimeter. But what we are needed? Radius alone needed. So 2 by 2 is equal to 1 centimeter, right? So radius of full circle also 1 centimeter. So we can take it as R is equal. Radius of quadrant circle you can take it as R. Here radius of circle also you can take it as R, right? Because both radius values are equal. If it is not equal, so we want to differentiate with the R1 and the R2, right? R1 is nothing but radius of quadrant circle. R2 is nothing but radius of circle. We have to differentiate. That's very important. Here, both the radius are same. So I am taking as R itself, right? So now we are, what are things? That's all we are having in the given, right? Next, we want to find area of remaining portion. How we are going to find? Area of remaining portion, right? After cutting the 4 quadrant circle and 1 full circle, right? So it's nothing but very simple. First we want to find the area of a square, full square, right? Then 4 quadrant circle they are removing, right? They are cutting 4 quadrant circle. Just subtract 4 area of a 4-quadrant circle, right, we will get a remaining part. Next we are subtracting the area of a circle, right, area of a full circle, then the remaining part is nothing but area of the remaining portion, right. They are cutting, so we want to subtract. So first I am just finding the area of a full square, right, and I am just subtracting the area of 4-quadrant circle. Once again I am subtracting the area of full circle, then the remaining area is nothing but area of the remaining portion, right. Area of remaining portion is equal to area of square minus 4 times of area of quadrant circle minus area of a circle, right. 4 times of area of quadrant circle minus area of a circle. So what is the formula of area of a square? Side into side, right, side into side, side into side minus 4 into area of quadrant circle pi r square divided by 4 minus pi r square, right, minus pi r square. See, 3 terms, right. I'm just separating by using the brackets, right. So already we know that, see that 4 into pi r square by while we are adding the 4 quadrant circle, it will become a full circle, right. Simplify 4 cancel. What is it? Pi r square. What is the formula of pi r square? Area of a circle. So 4 times of a quadrant circle is nothing but area of a circle, right? One full circle. So okay, we know the values. Just substitute and simplify. We'll get the answer. So what is side? Side is equal to 4. So 4 into 4 minus this 4 cancel. Pi value, what you are going to substitute? 22 by 7 or 3.14. See that the radius is nothing but it's not in the form of 7 multiple. So you can use pi is equal to 3.14. 3.14 into r square, that is 1 square, right? 1 square minus 3.14 into 1 square, right? So 4 4s are 16 minus 3.1, 1 square is nothing but 1. 1 square into 3.14, 3.14 only, right? Minus 3.14 into 1 square, 3.14 only, right? It is equal to 16. Both are minus, so I am just adding 6.28. 16 minus 6.28 is equal to how much? 9.72 meter square, right? Sorry, centimeter. 9.72 centimeters. Therefore, area of the remaining portion is equal to, right? Therefore, area of remaining portion, right, after removing the 4 quadrant circle and 1 full circle, right, area of remaining portion is equal to, right, 9.72 centimeter square, right. I'll give you two sums homeworks, just note down it. So number 4, a circular park 42 meter in diameter has a path 3.5 meter wide. Path, that means yes, a ring, right, 3.5 meter wide running around it on the outside. Find the cost of graveling the path at rupees 4 per meter square. We want to find the cost. So for finding the cost of the path, first we want to find the area of the path. Path means area of a ring. So for finding the area of a ring, what are the things we are needed? Capital R and small r. So small r is nothing but radius of a circular park. Capital R is nothing but small r plus width. Wide is nothing but 3.5 meter, right? So small r plus width. So while we are having small r and capital R, by using that area of a ring formula, we can get the area of ring. After finding the area of a ring, for each meter square, how much they are charging? Rupees 4. Just multiplying by 4 into area, we will get a cost, right? We'll get a cost. Next, sum number 5. A park is in the form of a rectangle 120 meter into 100 meter. 120 meter into 100 meter. That means length into breadth. Length is equal to 120 meter and breadth is equal to 100 meter. Right? They are talking about rectangle, right? In the center of the park, right? In the center of the park, there is a circular lawn. Circle, right? Circular lawn as shown in the figure. The area of the park excluding the lawn. The area of the park excluding the lawn. That means removing the circle, right? Removing the circle, except the circle, area of a circle, remaining area they have given, right? The area of the park excluding the lawn is 8,700 meters square. Find the radius of the circular lawn. Find the radius of the circular lawn. How we will find, ma? It's very simple. First we want to know that, see, radius, they ask you to find radius, height and these things they are asking means, first we want to know that the constant formula and the value of the constant formulas, right? Just we want to equate the value with the constant formula, right? So here we want to find the area of the circle. Here they didn't give the area of a circle, right? Circular lawn. They didn't give the area of circular lawn, but they have given a clue. It's nothing but they have given a clue to find the area of rectangle and to find, and also we are having that area of the park excluding the lawn. That means that except the lawn, we know the area, right? How we will find the area of a circle? It's very simple. Area of a rectangle minus area of the park excluding the lawn. It is equal to area of a circle. Understood? Area of a rectangle, that means we are finding the full area of a rectangle minus area of this, what is it, park excluding the lawn, that is except the lawn, the remaining part, while we are subtracting with the area of a rectangle, what will get it? We'll get the remaining part, that is area of a circle. Once we got the value of area of a circle, just equate with the formula. What is the formula of area of circle? Pi r square. Just equate with the formula, you'll get r square is equal to 1050. While taking square root, then you will get r is equal to 32.4 meter, right? Thank you.